The FX Luminaire Wi-Fi plug delivers reliable, wireless control for low-voltage outdoor lighting systems. By the end of this video, your Wi-Fi plug will be fully operational and seamlessly integrated with your low-voltage lighting transformer. Table of contents. Introduction and unboxing. Getting started with the Wi-Fi plug. Setup. Installing the plug. Home management. Using the home feature. App integration. Pairing the plug. App features. Exploring device operation, schedules, and timers. Introduction and unboxing. The Wi-Fi plug's intuitive design provides convenient, wireless control of lighting transformers and outdoor devices. Built to withstand the elements with an IP66 rated enclosure, it delivers long-lasting durability and reduces maintenance. Convenient status LEDs further simplify setup and troubleshooting. Setup. Installing the plug. Designed for maximum flexibility, the Wi-Fi plug installs easily inside or outside the lighting transformer. Mount it on a wall with the included screws, or place it securely with an EX or PX transformer cabinet for a seamless installation. Home management. Creating homes. Setting up a home in the FX Wi-Fi app makes managing outdoor lighting more intuitive and efficient. For more information, scan the QR code on the insert card inside the box, then follow these steps. Tap the Profile button in the bottom navigation bar. Select Home Management. Then tap Create a Home. Enter a home name. Set the location, and tap Add Room to name each space. Rooms represent different areas where your Wi-Fi plug is installed, or controlling lights, like the front yard, backyard, or garage transformer. Once you've added all your rooms, select the ones for your current home and press Save. Return to the home dashboard to begin managing your devices. App integration. Adding a device. To simplify operation and enable remote management, you'll need to pair the Wi-Fi plug with the FX Wi-Fi app. Here's how. First, insert the Wi-Fi plug into any outlet and check that the blue LED is blinking. This may take up to 10 seconds as the device searches for available networks. Open the FX Wi-Fi app and tap Add Device in the middle of the screen. For homes with existing devices, tap the plus icon in the top right and select Add Device. The app will scan for available devices. All installed Wi-Fi plugs will appear on the Add Device page. Select your plug, enter the Wi-Fi details, and hit Next. Once the device connects to the network, the pairing process will begin. When pairing is complete, tap Done to access the device dashboard. Device settings. Once your Wi-Fi plug has been added and paired, you may want to rename it and assign it to a specific location for easy organization. You can do this on the device dashboard. From the home dashboard, select your device. On the device dashboard, tap the pencil icon in the top right corner. Tap the pencil icon next to your device. Then select Name to enter a custom name. Hit Location to assign the device to a specific site area or room. When you're done, tap the back button to return to the device dashboard or the home dashboard. Using the FX Wi-Fi app, controlling your Wi-Fi plug is simple. You can turn it on or off manually, set timers, create schedules, and even design custom scenes for your lighting. Let's walk through the key features. App features. Manual operation, on, off. Need to turn your plug on or off? Follow these simple steps. Open the Home dashboard. Tap the power button icon to turn the plug on or off. You can also control it from the device dashboard. Just select your plug and press the power button again. Manual operation. Time duration. Want to run your plug for a specific time frame? Here's how. Go to the Home dashboard and select your device. On the device dashboard, tap the power button in the center of the screen to turn the plug on. Select the schedule icon from the bottom navigation bar. Tap the countdown icon at the top left of the schedule page. Set your desired runtime, then press the play icon to start the timer. Once the timer runs out, the plug will automatically turn off. To cancel, tap the trash icon. Keep in mind that the Wi-Fi plug must be on for the countdown to work. If it's off when you start the timer, it will turn on once the set time ends. Setting a schedule, specific time of day. To automate your lighting based on time, follow these simple steps. Open the Home dashboard and select your device. Go to the device dashboard and press Schedule at the bottom. Then select Add Schedule. Choose your desired times and days of the week. Tap Plug, then select On or Off. Press Save to confirm. If you want to schedule more events, just tap Add Schedule and repeat the steps. Then press the back arrow to return to the device dashboard. Keep in mind that the Event Toggle button must be on for the event to run. Setting a schedule, sunrise, sunset. For schedules based on sunrise or sunset, use the Sunrise Sunset feature. Select the schedule icon from the bottom navigation bar. Select the Sunrise Sunset icon at the top of the schedule page. To set a sunset event, press the Sunset tile. Select the days of the week you'd like the sunset event to run. Then press the plug field to set the plug to on or off. If you'd like to program a timed offset, select Before or After at the top of the screen. Press Save. To set a sunrise event, follow the same steps, this time starting with the sunrise tile. Creating custom scenes. The Scene feature lets you control multiple devices with a single tap. Here's how you can create a custom scene. From the Home dashboard, tap the Scene icon at the bottom navigation bar. Select Create Scene, then tap Launch Tap to Run. In the Then tile, press the plus icon or select Add Task. Choose Control Single Device and select your device. Tap Plug. Then choose On or Off. Press Save, then tap Next to return to the Create Scene screen. To add additional devices to the scene, press the plus icon in the Then tile and repeat the previous two steps. Press Save. Then add a scene name and press Confirm. Your Tap to Run scenes will appear on the Scene page under the Tap to Run tab and at the top of the Home dashboard to control multiple devices with a single tap. Your FX Luminaire Wi-Fi plug is now fully set up and ready to go. With its reliable performance and seamless integration, you can easily manage low-voltage outdoor lighting from anywhere. Whether you're scheduling lights or making real-time adjustments, the Wi-Fi plug simplifies lighting control, saving you time and making it easier to create an exceptional experience.